Alright, this is the bumper for the Ghostbuster pack that I've been making. I've been trying to make it mostly out of styrofoam to try and, see if it can be done, and also to make it as light as possible, as some of those packs weigh quite a bit and don't want to be lugging around 60-70 pounds all day. So my first attempt was styrofoam. This is styrofoam. It's nice and lightweight. Personally, certain areas here I've had to make it thicker so that it won't break as easily. There still has to be some details done to it. This was my first attempt. I was worried about it breaking because it is so thin. So my next attempt was to make it out of styrene, because I use styrene a lot for a lot of my other projects, and so here was the start of the styrene bumper. Again, it was a work in progress, but it was getting quite heavy, and so I think before I got too far on that, I abandoned it. And then I found this expanded PVC sheets. And so here it is. It's much lighter, but the end is not smooth. It is very porous. So I would have had to do a lot of filling in there. And then I got a 3D printer, and I drew it up in SolidWorks, trying to learn the software SolidWorks. And here's my first attempt at printing it out in 3D. The pieces that made it so it sort of sticks together. It will eventually stick together. That was the idea. I don't know if you can see it, but it's not a smooth finish. It's segmented on both sides, so it would have quite a bit of cleaning up on there. And there. And also where I did have the parts cut apart, it's not too happy with the results here. Actually would required quite a bit of cleaning up. Inside is a bit rough, but that's okay, since that won't be seen. It won't take too much to clean it up. So I modified the drawing, changed the file, the STL file, and so now I got a better printout. It's been sanded, so you can sort of see the how there are slight indentations that will have to be cleaned up later on, filled with putty or bond or something like that. But the transition is actually a lot better. Took each piece here took about 3 hours to print up, so in total about 9 hours. The first set took about I think it's under 8 hours to do. Again, I sand it so you can actually see how this is the print at 0.25 millimeter height. And I've done a bit of sanding on that. And here's the final piece. pretty happy with the results. It's much lighter and it's probably more durable than my Styrofoam one, and I'm actually pretty happy with it. And that's it for my latest project. This is probably the last piece. This is the last piece for my pack, but I might go back and actually start replacing other pieces, draw them up in SolidWorks and maybe print them out. That's it. Thank you.